of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices, objects, and systems. Key aspects of IoT include sensors and connectivity. IoT devices are embedded with various sensors to collect data such as temperature, humidity, motion, light, and more. They are also equipped with connectivity features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, or other wireless protocols to transmit data to other devices or cloud platforms. Data processing and analytics. The data collected by IoT devices is processed and analyzed either locally on the device itself or in the cloud. Advanced analytics techniques, including machine learning and artificial intelligence, are often used to derive insights from the data and make informed decisions. Automation and control. IoT enables automation and remote control of devices and systems based on the data collected and analyzed. This can range from simple tasks like adjusting the temperature in a smart thermostat to more complex operations like optimizing manufacturing processes in industrial settings. Applications and use cases. IoT technology finds applications across various industries and sectors, including smart homes, healthcare, agriculture, transportation, manufacturing, and environmental monitoring. Examples include smart cities with connected infrastructure, remote patient monitoring in healthcare, precision agriculture with IoT-enabled sensors, and predictive maintenance in industrial settings. Challenges and considerations. While IoT offers many benefits, it also presents challenges such as security and privacy concerns, interoperability issues, scalability challenges, and the need for robust data governance and management practices.